I'm Ashley, the Monogram Mompreneur. Welcome to Mompreneur Monday, a show where we give you small business tips and tricks, interview other mompreneurs, and get the experts' opinions on what's going on in the business world. So in today's video, we're going to talk all about batching and how I batch to make myself more productive. As a mompreneur, we have very little time. We are also handling our households, our children, all the activities. So time is so important to spend it wisely. So let me tell you why you should batch too. So if you're not familiar with the word batching, it's just a fancy word for doing a lot of the same task all at once. So how I use batching in my business is I try to batch all the same tasks on one day. For example, if I am sublimating shirts, I'm embroidering something, and I need to send emails and get Etsy listing done, I am not gonna try to do all of that separate. I'm gonna try to batch everything I can together to make myself more productive. So for example, I would break that into segments of my day. So I would design all my sublimation designs, I'd print them all, and then I would sublimate all the shirts all at once. Because you don't want to be going back and forth, you're gonna get out of your groove. So you want to be in a groove, and that's the point of batching. Another example would be if you're embroidering, you're hooping, you're designing, you're getting your stabilizers. It leaves so much less room for error when you batch everything together and your brain can focus. So I love batching my social media posts. So during the week, while I'm working, I will take pictures, I will take videos, and then at one point I will batch everything. I will schedule that out. It's very hard for me to post in the moment. It takes up a lot of time. I know one day I was working on a reel and it literally took me 30 minutes to edit it and do all that sort of thing. When my children are at school, that is my money-making time. That is my dedicated time that I could be using to make money. So I use late at night, early in the morning when I'm sipping my coffee, I'll make reels, do social media with all the content I've already taken pictures of. I'll get a few scheduled in the morning when I'm drinking my coffee and then be on my way. But you don't want to waste a lot of your time going from task to task. So that's my biggest thing with batching is it keeps you focused. You can knock out some emails. You can knock out some social media. You can knock out your orders if you have them already prepped and ready to go. So that is my tip for you. Batch, batch, batch. I batch for YouTube. If you're a YouTube creator, maybe you batch your blog post. I put my makeup and hair done and I film on 1 to 2 days a week, and then the rest of the time I use for my business or for editing and that sort of thing. I don't film every day, that would get crazy. So my biggest tip for you is to batch. Let me know in the comments below if you batch as well or if you're all willy-nilly all over the place. I promise you, if you batch, you'll find yourself a lot more productive. I hope this tip for Mompreneur Monday helped you tremendously. Let me know in the comments if you're gonna start batching. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit subscribe. Bye for now.